The search for pure, clean, and perfect sound reproduction is the holy grail for any audiophile. Everything from the electric current coming through the wall outlet to the cloth on the speaker grill can affect what comes to the ears of the listener. The engineers at iFi Audio's development lab understand this and take every step possible to provide exact and measurable improvements to reproduce the music for you that you treasure so much. To this end, iFi Audio engineers created this compact, affordable, extremely quiet audiophile replacement DC power supply. While most people look upon this small yet critical link in the chain of accurate sound reproduction as almost without merit, iFi Audio places this unit in equal standing with all other parts of the best stereo systems. This model is available in 5V, 9V, 12V, and even 15V versions, depending on your equipment needs. Using advanced radar stealth ANC technology, this unit eliminates power supply noise within the DC system. By generating a signal identical to the noise signal but in the exact opposite phase, ANC completely cancels this incoming noise and filters the power line for signal damaging RF or radio frequency noise. The measured noise floor of 0.5 microvolts is at the measurement limit of the industry reference audio precision test equipment. You can be assured that your search for the cleanest sound reproduction is achieved with iFi Audio's replacement DC power supply. If you'd like to know more about this product, please call us at 1-800-942-0220 or visit us at audioadvisor.com. And if you would like to see more of these videos, please give us a like and consider subscribing to our channel.